Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to take an app idea, build it, market it, and actually make money from it. I'm not some tech guru, but I've built multiple apps and turned them into a solid income stream. So let's get straight into it. The biggest mistake people make is thinking they need a 100% original idea. That's not true. The best way to find an idea is to look at what's already working. If an app is making money, the market is validated. Here's what I did. I noticed that productivity and AI-based apps were blowing up, so I created my own version with a small twist. My app, Monty, started as a simple project, and over time, I improved it based on user feedback. So don't overthink it. Pick an idea, launch fast, and refine it later. You don't need a huge team or a crazy budget. Here's a simple stack to get started: Next.js plus Vercel for web apps, easy to deploy and scale; Expo, React Native, for mobile apps, so you can launch on iOS and Android; Supabase for authentication and databases, super easy to set up; Stripe for handling payments, so you can start making money ASAP; Posthog for analytics, so you know what users actually do in your app. You can build an MVP, minimum viable product, in a few weeks if you stay focused. You can have the best app in the world, but if no one knows about it, it's useless. Here's how to get traffic: TikTok and Instagram Reels, short, viral videos showcasing what your app does. Study what's already working and copy those trends. YouTube, create explainer videos, tutorials, or feature breakdowns. Reddit and forums, find relevant communities, answer questions, and naturally introduce your app as a solution. Cold outreach, DM people who might benefit from your app and offer them a free trial. Don't waste time trying to build a perfect app from day one. Get something out there, market it aggressively, and improve it based on real feedback. The biggest mistake? Overthinking. The biggest success factor? Taking action. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more business and tech content. See you in the next one.